reviews.
So these meal replacement shakes are absolutely awesome just to keep in your cupboard. If you've got a sweet tooth like I do, they are unreal for dessert. These are My Neat Health meal replacement shakes. The pudding and shake actually comes in the same packet, just depends how you want to make it. These also have 15 grams of protein, minimal sugar, and well-balanced micro and macronutrients. Super easy to make, like you literally just rip the packet, throw it in water, mix it up, and it's good to go, and it tastes absolutely unreal. Especially for the minimal calories and the minimal sugar content. You can mix it with water, a little bit less water, and let it stand, and it turns into a pudding. They are literal meal replacements. They have to go through a pretty heavy protocol to be even deemed as meal replacements. You can literally live off these. I've been using these for a better part of a year now, much like the replacement bars. So I would recommend it to anybody who is wanting a full meal that is super accessible and super quick and super easy to digest and get in you.